Gracias, Beth Montoya.
Hi, my name is Ben Brown.
Roller coasters are one of the most loved attractions around the world, and you may have seen one at your favorite amusement park. But have you ever wondered about the science that goes into making a ride like this work? A big part of it is energy.
Energy is the ability to do work. Work is how much strength you have to use to move something a certain distance. Whether you're kicking a ball or running a race, you are using energy. Energy comes in many different forms. Some of these include electrical, light, sound, potential, and kinetic. Something really important to know about energy is that it cannot be destroyed, because it can change from one form to another. Two types of energy that play a big role in roller coasters are kinetic and potential energy.
Potential energy is the energy stored inside an object. It depends on the mass and the height that an object has. So the more an object weighs and the higher it is, the more potential energy it has. Think of a person standing on top of a hill. Now think of another person standing on a mountain. Who has more potential energy? If you guess the person standing on the mountain, you are correct. The person standing on the mountain has more potential energy because their height is a lot bigger than the person standing on the hill.
Kinetic energy is created when an object is moving. Just like potential energy, kinetic energy also depends on how heavy the object is. This means that if two objects are moving at the same speed, the one with more weight will have more kinetic energy. For example, if we shoot a bowling ball out of a cannon and we shoot a tennis ball out of the same cannon, which one will have more kinetic energy? If you guessed the bowling ball, you're right. Since the bowling ball weighs so much more than the tennis ball, it will have more kinetic energy.
When you are on a roller coaster, the cart where you sit goes up and down the track. This means that energy is constantly changing from potential to kinetic energy during the ride. When the cart is going up a hill, it is gaining potential energy and losing kinetic energy. The higher the cart goes, the more potential energy it has. Once the cart is at the very top of the hill, it only has potential energy because it is not moving. As soon as the cart starts going down the hill, potential energy is transformed into kinetic energy because now you have speed instead of height. So now you know the physical science behind a roller coaster. The higher the peak, the more potential energy the ride has at that point. The heavier the cart and the faster it goes, the more kinetic energy it will have going down the ride's peak.
Do you think you can apply everything you just learned in this video? If you're up for a challenge, give the worksheet a try. Thanks for watching the video.